Okay, we brought this race inside, well, this hub, because we've got to get this race out of here. Okay, there's a race down inside of this. I've got to knock it out, so let me get some safety glasses here. I got to try to knock these races out. There's two of them in here. I hope I can see enough. It's kind of dark in here, but I hope y'all can see on the video. Let's see, like going like this, catching the inside of that. To the right. Flashlight. Didn't know I had it. Yeah. It's gonna be fun. I don't think I can put this in this vise. I might can. Let me see if I can open this vise out of it. Catch the bottom of this lip on this thing and hold it. There's the end of it. No, it won't go. I can do this side. Catching that. I don't think it's going to stay in there because it's not flat. We'll try it and see. Yeah, it's coming out. Okay. Can't see it. It's so dark in there. That's a real pretty kid. Oh. It's coming out. Get a bigger hammer. Now let's turn it over so I can get the other one out. Maybe it'll sit there. We'll see. It's going to be better just to sit on the wooden table here. Maybe it'll stay. Just a little bit of a lip there to get on to that. That's the lip or not. It's so dark I can't. Nope. That's a little bit lip. Here we go. And get it more squared off from it. I'm going to run the sharp edge on that chisel here, but that's going to catch it pretty good right there. Say it will. I just hit the thing. I cannot see, guys. I'm sorry, just cannot see what I'm doing. It's so dark in here. Maybe it's more light. I have to set up somewhere else because I honestly cannot see what I'm doing. Let's try this. Slow it down. You gotta be where I can see. But I cannot see this at all. Maybe that'll help. We'll see. Let's try something different. Put this one up here like this. Knock it out. I got to hit the top and the bottom. It's hard to get my punch to go in there like that. Over here, guys. Now, let's see. I got to go like that. Along the stroke. It's going to work, but you're probably going to need to do this side. And I got to rotate it to the other side, like that. So I go back, forth, back, forth. Not going to be fun. But that's all right. Yeah, it's coming out. It's coming out good. That. Rotate back forth. Try now, see if I can little bit of lip out there. I have to get to it. Let's see if I can do this. It's bouncing so bad up here. It ain't working. I'm gonna have to just keep turning it a little longer. Take time. Good movement there. Most mechanics are like me, they're in a hurry. But this is one of them jobs I can't hurry because it ain't gonna work to hurry it. You can't see it right here. What I'm doing, I'm knocking the race out right there. That's the race. The race is on that side. That's it right there. You know, it's like this one. Like this one. See, it's in there on that side. And I'm going to take. I'm taking my punch and I'm hitting this side and hitting this side, and hitting this side and hitting this side. That's all I can do back and forth. Let me try it on the table here now. See if it might. It's got a little more space here. I might get in here. That's pretty good. Just broke my punch. Look at that. That's a snap-on. No, it's a Mac tool punch, and the end just broke off. So I brought a spare, but I think it shouldn't break like that. Get in there now. It's far out now, but I'm going to have to put it back in the vise so it come loose over there, set it up on the stand. I'm just going to put it back in the vise and see if I can knock the top and the bottom out at the same time. That's what we'll do. It'll aggravate. Alright, let's see. Get over good like that. Real hammer here. Oh, yeah. There you go. When she's out, it'll be all right. All right, now. Got to put the new ones in there. That's right, because there's the lace. Uh-oh. They're the wrong size. Well, guys, this is going to be instantaneous for y'all, but I got to run to the store and get the right race. So I'm going to get the number off this old one here and go match up my races. They give me the wrong ones. So here we go. Okay, finally got the right bearings for this thing. The national bearing is a 14125A, and the race is a 14276. I had to get it from Master Pro from O'Reilly, and then the national bearing was in from them too. But this thing ended up costing about $40-something. But there's the bearing, and here's the race. And what we got to do is we've got to, so you'll know, some of y'all are not mechanics, so I'm going to kind of show you this. I think I've already taken this in that pack. Let me pull it out here so you can see it. This is the race, and the race is what the bearing runs in. The bearing goes into that and runs smoothly across that, okay? So, but we've got to drive the race into this housing like I took it out a few before. So that's what we're going to do now. Now there is a special tool you can use to do this with, but my special tool is just the old race. If you take the old race and just kind of wipe it off a little bit so it's not, get all the dirt from it off of it. And that's what I'm going to do now. Get it just kind of cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll take it, put it right on top of the new one, and then we'll knock the new one into the hole. What I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of tap start it here, so it won't be jumping around on it. Just a minute. I hope I'm not jarring the camera too much, because I've got the camera sitting on the table. I'm gonna have to move it. Let me move the camera here. All right, maybe that's a little bit better there, and it won't jar now because I've got it sitting on a separate table. But let me get this race started in the hole here. Now the problem is, what happens is when you get down below this level here, this race will start, getting into the hole and locking itself in, and you don't want that to happen. So here, let me show you what I do. Still not getting locked in, so we're okay. Just gonna kind of go slow here, like. Yeah, I feel it kind of. Yeah, it's trying to lock itself in there now. That's what I don't want to happen. So we'll turn it over, and I'll knock that back out right quick. Hold on. Just take just a little tap to ease that little jewel right back out of there. But it's not really in there hard. It's just kind of just stuck. Now, what I do then is to get it all the way to the bottom of its seat, which it's still got a good little ways to go. We can knock it on in with this, but you need to turn it over like this, so that when it knocks itself in, then you've got a lip right there to go to the back side and take the old race back out, because the old race is going to go get knocked back in there too. Do. I'll show you that way. And you can hear it change sound. That's all the way down. There we go. It's all the way down on the other underside there. And you'll see my old race is hung in the hole, but I'm fixing to show you with it turned over like this. I've got a little lip right there. And all I gotta do is put it in the vise. I'll just kind of stick it over here in the vise. I'm not gonna try to clamp it down. I'm just gonna stick it in the vise enough that I can go over the top here and knock it loose. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I'll take my punch here, a rounded off punch, which go right down there to the old one. Knock her right out of there. There it is. I think it'll come right out. There it is. Got the old one out, just like that. And the new one is in place. It's all the way down and it's in place, which means the bearing can run right in there perfectly. That's good, okay? Now we'll do the other side, same way. Kind of hear the difference. That race is all the way in too. Now I gotta knock the old one out, so I'll just sit right back on my vise up here, and we'll catch the edge of the old one. Okay, no problem. Just takes a few licks to get him out. There it is. It's out. And now we've got the new race on this side and the new race on this side. New bearing on one side and another new bearing right here for the other side. Okay, so now we've got the two bearings and we're ready to put this on the baler, which by the way it's a John Deere 24T baler, not a 2400. I think I've got an owner's repair manual, and the repair manual says John Deere 2400 or John Deere 24T. There must be a 2400 series also, and mine's a 24T. So here my son says. So, all right, got a new seal for the underside. This is the front. This is the back. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this here. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in place here. I'm gonna put this seal in right here, but I want to grease this bearing first. What I'll do is I'll put grease on this bearing, grease this bearing real good, put it in here, and then we'll knock the seal in, and then it will hold that bearing in place, and all I do is slide it up on there and put the other bearing on there. You'll see when we get out there, it'll be pretty easy. So let me get this some grease, and we'll get that greased up and ready to go.